Are you drowning in debt and on the verge of personal or business bankruptcy? Are you being harassed by creditors and threatened with wage garnishments, repossession, or foreclosure? The threat of bankruptcy is not something to be taken lightly and requires expert legal assistance. Not to worry, we're here to help. We're the experienced local legal team that you need if you're facing personal or business bankruptcy. We'll work with you to determine the best possible solution for your particular situation. We may even be able to negotiate with your creditors to avoid bankruptcy altogether. We can help you get a fresh start and finally stop living in fear of losing your car, home, or wages. The worst thing you can do is ignore your current situation or allow it to get any worse. So don't delay. Give us a call today for a free consultation.